Hello guys, come with me and my friends to Amedzofe in the Volta region to sightsee on the waterfalls, the newly established tourist site. So these are my friends. Yes, and that's me. Come on, come with us, follow us on this journey. Okay, we started off by enjoying ourselves with some music. Let's go.
If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you never been before. So give me your hand, I'll give you my word. I promise I'll be loving you. Somebody call her, somebody they call her boom. The way she the wine, I'm a see fire for body. And if you want me go now, enjoyment go kill her boom. Baby girl, you are girl, the way you are. I'm mad over you, girl. I'm mad over you, girl. Say you are my woman.
And then some chama by the boys in the car. Yes, this is it. And then we got to the Adami Bridge, the ever famous bridge. And that is the lake. You can see there, crossing to the water again. Yes, we alighted to take some videos and pictures on the bridge. Yes, this is me doing some poses so I can take some pictures. And then my friends too showed what they got. Yes, this is them. Then we set up again to continue our trip. Yeah. And this is me. Hello. Guys, look at this beautiful sky. Look at the clouds. We started climbing the mountain. You could see the clouds in the sky. See how beautiful it is. See how nice it is. Nature is really beautiful. See how nice it is. Then we got to our destination, and then we had to prepare for a hike down to the falls, down to the real venue. So we began the hike, and it was not easy. From the town to where the falls is, the beginning of the falls, it's not easy. We walked for like a good 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
It's hike time. They're walking to the bridge. See this.
So come along, let's hike together. And then we got to the entrance. This is the entrance to the walk. This is the sign saying stating the way to the canopy walk. Yes, and the stairs. So we had to hike again down to the canopy walk. First, the stairs, there's 250 stairs, and then to the canopy walk. So this is us hiking again, and this hike was about like 20 minutes to the place. So this is us hiking, and there's a small river or lake, whatever, there. So we had to cross it first, and then we continue with our journey. So this is us waiting in line to cross, so we do not slip. This place is really slippery. You can slip at any time, so you have to take your time and be careful before to prevent slipping. So this is us crossing, trying to cross. And then that little boy in the yellow was trying to warn us to be careful when we are going, because that place is very slippery. And I thanked him for that. So this is us crossing. My friend tried to hold me, but I said no, she should go. So we started going. And then another hike began here. This was a hike to the stairs. The stairs you must take first before you get to the waterfall in the canopy walk. This is us heading towards the stairs. Two 159 steps. Yes, this is where we go to the sign indicating that we are about to start this walkway to the waterfall on the canopy walk. And so we got to the beginning of our hike down to the waterfalls and the canopy walk. So the stairs, beginning of the 259 stairs down. We started going down. Little by little, started going down. And the stairs were not even. The stairs were not even. We had shorter ones, we had longer ones. They were very, very slippery too. The little mistake you will make, you will slip. Yes, this is us walking down the stairs, going slowly as we can to avoid slipping. We did not even get to half, not even get to do half the stairs. My knees started hurting. The stairs were so difficult to descend. So I was imagining how hard it would be climbing back up 259 stairs. But slowly we're making it. I knew we'll make it. Got to a point, people started complaining. Get to a part where the guys at the park started complaining that they wanted to go back home. They didn't sign up for this. So the part coming up, the next scene.
My money has to come home. They didn't even pass a neighbor.
So this is me descending the final steps to the walkway and the waterfalls. Finally reaching my destination. Yes. Let me tell you, this is the most beautiful view you ever see. The waterfall, the canopy walks, the trees, nature is very nice. The place was very beautiful. Very, very nice. People are already around, having fun, taking in the view, taking in nature. It's very nice. The waterfall, wow, very nice. A very nice and presentable view. If you want a place to go for your next trip, I recommend this place. Very nice. So here we have to queue for the canopy walk. Lots of people around, so you have to be in the queue so we can go on the canopy walk and start our journey. Just me and my friends enjoying ourselves for the walk. So this is where we started our walk on the canopy walk. This is us starting our journey on the walk. So I'll leave you here so you enjoy our journey. Bye. So now we're going down there to the waterfalls. Yes, This is me, yeah, enjoying myself down there at the waterfalls, trying to go up, take some pictures and some videos. And guys, so you saw a rainbow. Yes, I saw a rainbow down there. You see? Yes, this is it. A rainbow down there. Because of the falls, appeared a rainbow. Okay, so we were done and it was time to go back. And you had to climb up the 259 stairs again with our wet shoes, everything. That made the stairs 2 times slippery to climb, and I was tired. My knees were hurting. I was so tired. But in order to go back home, we had to climb the stairs, and I'm going to do it. Started climbing little by little. See how tired I was. I had to rest here. And then I finally reached. I'm so tired. But anyway, it was very interesting and fun. This whole trip, this expedition, the hike, everything was fun. Recommend it for you. And then this is us heading back home, back to Accra. So if you're looking for a place, recommend here.